Welcome to this set of short videos that are going to show you how to answer questions in the GCSE music exam. Each video will take you through one page of the specimen paper which you can download from our website. We're not actually going to look for the right answers, we're actually going to look for how you can think about each type of question so you know how to get to the right answer. So if we scroll down and look at the first page of the exam in this video, then we'll see that the first set of information tells you how many excerpts you'll hear, what order they're going to be played in, and it gives you a handy little set of boxes to tick off each time you hear them. The first question here is, what is the time signature? So straight away with the word time signature you should be thinking about meter, how many beats there are in a bar and what type of beat there are. You can see that it's only worth 1 mark, so it's looking for a very simple answer. And your most common answers here, in terms of time signatures, in terms of meter, are going to be simple things. So my best guess really would be that it's going to be a time signature of 4/4. So let's add some text here and let's put in that it's in 4/4. It's not the only possible answer. It could also be in 3/4 or maybe 6/8. Or a variety of other time signatures, but these are probably the most common ones you're going to come across. The exam board's mark scheme makes it clear that you could also write C, which we've discussed in one of our Word of the Week videos, which stands for common time. In that case it does actually refer to 4/4, so my guess was right, lucky me. So the first question, nice and easy, listen to the extract, figure out what time signature it's in, and then you should be away and laughing. So let's go and have a look at our next question. Circle the correct word to complete this sentence. The baseline of this excerpt is mainly made up of, and it gives you British names for note values here. Again, you can see that it's only worth 1 mark. Oh, I've highlighted a whole page there. It's only worth 1 mark, so you shouldn't be looking to circle more than 1. It doesn't say how many things you circle, but it does say the correct word, so you should have figured out it's only 1. So minims are the same as half notes, crotchets quarter notes, quavers eighth notes, and semiquavers 16th notes. So it could be any of these. You would have to listen to the extract, make sure you've paid attention to which instrument it's talking about, the bass line, so the lowest pitched instrument that you can hear, and then circle your answer, just like it says in the question. Don't underline, circle it, and it should be fine. The third question, again, you can see it's worth 1 mark. It tells you which of the following terms best describes the texture of the excerpt. So texture tends to be how many instruments are playing and how they're interacting with each other. You've got 4 possible answers here. You've got octaves, which means everything would be playing in unison, but an octave apart, so 8 notes apart. Antiphonal, which you probably remember best if you were in the Arts College Choir and sang in Sia Humba, basically means when we have different parts of an ensemble split up, maybe even entirely different choirs or orchestras, playing perhaps even different pieces, but you would hear them playing from around the room. Homophonic, telling us that there's a melody and a simple accompaniment probably, or parts that move in time with each other. Or polyphonic, which would mean that there are many different melodies all moving independently of each other. So you'd have to listen to the extract and again pick any one of these for your answer, and that would give you the correct answer. There you go. So that should sort out the first page of the exam. We'll do another video later in the week which will look at the second page of the exam paper. But in the meantime, I would take this as an opportunity to go and revise meter, rhythm, and texture.